If you're watching this video, you're probably or a brand new person, or you're someone who's trying to get results with affiliate marketing and have absolutely nowhere to go. So that's why you searched and you found this video. Now I'm here to tell you that in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do and how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, there's a few things that are going to come with this video. Number one, if you're not going to watch the entire video and you try to cut halfway, you're going to miss out on the valuable content. So stay and watch this all the way to the end. Number two, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, just make sure you leave a comment down below so that way I know that you watched the entire thing and you're ready to take action. Most people who come on YouTube, they watch a bunch of videos, but at the end of the day, they don't implement what the video teach them or what we tell you what to do. So if you're that person and you're going to watch this video all the way to the end, I give you credit already. So watch this video. I'm going to show you how to get traffic. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited traffic to any offer that you want to do. But I'm going to give you a specific niche that I think is evergreen niche and people are always going to do. I'm going to show you how you can organically build something up so that way you're going to have customers over and over again. And I'm also going to show you where to find these products and how to get started. So hey, smash that bell notification and make sure you give this video a like. Share this with someone who you think is going to benefit. With that being said, let's get to it. Let's roll. So I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump into it. All right. So we're going into the weight loss niche. Why do I pick weight loss? Because consistently over and time again, that this niche will never fail. You have people on here who's always trying to get healthy and make sure that they body up to date, especially, the moms or moms who, recently have birth and everything, always trying to find ways how to, get back. And also people who are just, get to the point where they said, all right, enough is enough, and they're ready to get started. So stick with me. So if you see I type in weight loss here, so you can come on Instagram. I'm using Instagram right away. And if you type in weight loss, you see a hashtag. Look at this. Over 81 million people are searching for this. If you come down here, you'll see weight loss journey. You can click on weight loss, or you can click on weight loss journey. And once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of different things that come up that people already posted. It is totally okay to repost information that you find here. Perfect example. Let's say you want to get started on this. You don't have to post picture of these people, but you can start posting information like this, like mango banana smoothie. Stuff like this. If you click on this, you see that they're doing a carousel. What's a carousel? They post it on here, and then you swipe to the right, and then you see it again. So it allows someone to click, and you can see like the information that they're giving here. This is totally okay for you to use it, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you give this person credit. So on Instagram, that's totally okay because people don't mind you sharing their content because it's more views for them and stuff like that. So you can come on here and just start finding different things. But I'm not going to let you go on here and find endless videos of exactly, not videos, but endless posts and things. Yeah, you can post them once in a while. But what I would love for you to do, I want you to find reels. Reels are one of the hottest things right now because videos and people like watching videos. So most people like these 7-second videos are like 10 seconds and 15 seconds. You watching this YouTube video right now, if you've gotten this far, congratulations, because people attention span these days are very, very short. So what you could do, you can head on over to TikTok. So when you go to TikTok, you can type in weight loss. So when you type in weight loss, you can find a ton of videos on here. So as you can see, there's weight loss trips that you can find. You can see other people are posting different workout. That's totally cool. Get healthy. You can click on this and you can find different videos. So as you can see, these videos are very trending. Now, if I click on it, you'll see this video right here. This is totally okay for you to come on here and you can repurpose content. Of course, you always want to give credit to the original owner. As you can see, some of these videos already blurred out, but this one right here, this is 7 million people have viewed it so far. How to make, right? So as you can see, this person is showing their weight loss journey. You can come up with these great ideas, and what you can do, you can find different products, affiliate products that you can promote. So it's totally okay to repurpose these content, but now you, instead of you posting this on just solely Instagram timeline, you want to post it on Instagram Reels. So if you go on Instagram Reels, as you can see, this is an Instagram Reel right here. So if you click on this Instagram Reel, if you click on it, I'm not sure if it's going to show on this, but if you're on your phone and you click on this on your phone, once you click on your phone, you'll be able to see all the different videos. Now, what am I explaining here? You want to get these going and post as many of these videos. Now, you can come on here and you can use, you can go to Google and you can remove the watermark. And this is a app that can remove watermark. It's called SnapTip. So go right here, and then you click on this. Once you click this right here, then you can go over to TikTok. So if I go to TikTok and I copy this link, if I copy this link right here, copy the link, let me pause this, and I go over here, I can post it right here. And when I click on this, it will say download. So when I click on this, it's going to download. I'm using my computer right now, but all this I'm showing you, you can use it from your phone. So if you use it from your phone and you download it, once you download it, then you can re-upload it. As soon as you re-upload it, guess what? You're going to have a lot of people start viewing your information. Now, once they start viewing your information, the next thing that you want to do is you want to start putting, hey, follow me for more helpful tips. Click on the link in my description if you want to learn more about, weight loss journey and stuff. Then what you could do, if any of you want any of these are funnels. These are funnels that I've created. These are some weight loss funnels. If you do need this funnel, if you need these free funnels, all you have to do is in the comment section here on YouTube, you're going to say, Andre, I would like to have those free share codes. So Andre, I would love to have those free share codes. If you don't write that, you ain't going to get it. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want to see if you actually watch up to this part. Because most people, what they're doing, they're watching a lot of YouTube and they go in the description and they grab all the free stuff. They go out and they say, well, Andre, affiliate marketing doesn't work for me. Well, you didn't watch any of the videos. So I can send you some of these that you can use. I'm using ClickFunnels, by the way. There's a 14-day free trial. If you want to use it, feel free. If you want to use something else, that's totally cool. So I can give you all of these. And all you have to do is just pop them into your ClickFunnels. Totally cool. If you don't have ClickFunnels, I'd appreciate you sign up with my link. That would be really cool. Really help get the channel going. So once you do that, and then you're going to pop your affiliate link. Of course, you want to put your, affiliate link right here in the profile. So make sure that you put your affiliate link right here. Once you put your affiliate link, you let people click on it. And once they click on it, it's just going to take them. Now, where do you find products? Well, say no more. You can go to Digistore 24. So you can go over to Digistore 24. You can sign up for the affiliate products, and then you can get your affiliate link. Once you get the affiliate link, you can do that. You can also go to ClickBank as well. You can find these, and then you can add them. So this is a great way how you can leverage these things. I have multiple different accounts that I use. Of course, I'm not going to show you the account because people are going to, come up with all these ideas. So if you want to learn more and you see where I get to learn all these stuff and you want to take your knowledge to the next level, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can sign up for this. They have an amazing challenge and you can learn a lot of things in there and you can use that information to build your business. So you can just get started, click on the link and what you can do. So I hope this helped, and I hope this gives you a bigger picture of how you can get started with affiliate marketing organically and start getting a lot of people. So start on that, start posting and get going. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. and make sure that you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. So my name is Andre. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.